Welcome to the DEFF tutorial. This is the first tutorial from me, how to create your own color palette with CorelDraw. First thing first, open your goddamn CorelDraw. Not Photoshop, not AI, just CorelDraw. Next, open your own project. Next, make some object. You can draw rectangle, circle, or polygon, just whatever you like. Next, choose your color. Next, duplicate it. Next, change the color. Next, click the blend tool. Next, drag the object one to another one. Next, change the blend object to easy, right? See you on the next tutorial. I'm Deffanda sign out. See you guys.